In this video, I'm going to showcase my procedural planet shader that I have developed in Unreal Engine 4. With this highly modular shader, you can create almost any planet of your imagination. This shader has 33 exposed parameters divided into 4 categories, and these parameters allows you to control various properties of the procedural planet shader. The procedural planet texture parameter controls the planet texture. The procedural planet texture mask parameter controls the planet texture mask. The procedural planet gradient parameter controls the color gradient of the procedural planet texture. The gradient range parameter controls the gradient range. The roughness texture parameter controls the roughness planet texture. The metallic parameter controls the metallic surface property. The specular parameter controls the specular surface property. The normal map texture parameter controls the normal map planet texture. The normal map strength parameter controls the normal map strength. The enable tessellation parameter enables tessellation. The tessellation texture parameter controls the tessellation planet texture. The tessellation displacement parameter controls the tessellation displacement. The tessellation multiplier parameter controls the tessellation multiplier. The tiling and offset parameter controls the UV tiling and offset. Red and green for tiling, and blue and alpha channels for offset. You can also use negative values here to flip the tiling of the UVs. The rotation parameter controls the rotation angle and anchor point's position. The red channel controls the angle, the green and blue channels controls the anchor point for the U and V axis. You use degrees for the rotation angle. The enable texture panning parameter enables planet texture panning. The animation x-axis parameter controls the x-axis animation speed. The animation y-axis parameter controls the y-axis animation speed. The enable Fresnel parameter enables Fresnel. The Fresnel color parameter controls the Fresnel color. The Fresnel strength parameter controls the Fresnel strength. The Fresnel contrast parameter controls the Fresnel contrast. The Fresnel emissive strength parameter controls the emissive strength of the Fresnel effect. The enable clouds parameter enables clouds. The clouds texture parameter controls the cloud texture. The cloud's color parameter controls the cloud's color. The cloud's tiling and offset parameter controls the UV, tiling, and offset. The red and green channels are for tiling, and the blue and alpha channels are for offset. You can use the negative tiling value to flip the UV channels. The cloud's rotation parameter controls the rotation angle and anchor point position. The red channel controls the angle, the green channel controls the anchor point on the U-axis, and the blue channel controls the anchor point on the V-axis. You use degrees for the rotation angle. The cloud's opacity parameter controls the cloud's opacity. The cloud's contrast parameter controls the cloud's contrast. The cloud's strength parameter controls the cloud's strength. The cloud's speed parameter controls the cloud's speed. The invert cloud texture parameter inverts the cloud's texture.